Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to give someone access to your Google Analytics account in 2025, step by step. Whether you're working with a marketing agency, a developer, or a teammate, this quick guide will help you share access securely without giving away your entire Google account. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll know all the right settings to keep your data safe and your collaborators happy. Go to Google Analytics, open your web browser, and head over to analytics.google.com. Click Sign into Analytics and log in with the Google account that manages your website's analytics property. Access the dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Google Analytics dashboard. This is the main page that shows your website's traffic overview and reports. Open the Admin settings. Look to the bottom left corner of the dashboard. You'll see a gear icon labeled Admin. Click that to open your admin panel. Select the correct account and property. In the admin panel, you'll see columns for account and property. First, make sure you select the correct account if you manage multiple websites. Then, under the property column, choose the property you want to share. Remember, a property is just Google's term for your specific website or app. Go to Property Access Management. Under the property column, click Property Access Management. This is where you control who can view or edit your analytics data. Add a new user. On the Access Management page, hit the blue plus button plus in the top right and select Add Users. Enter the email address type in the Google email address of the person you're granting access to. Make sure it's the email they use for their Google account. Otherwise, they won't be able to log in. Assign the right role. Below the email field, choose the appropriate role. Viewer. Read-only access. Perfect if they just need to see reports. Editor. Can make changes. Great for marketers or developers who manage your tracking setup. You'll also see analyst and administrator options for more advanced permissions. Use these only if you trust the person completely. Confirm and notify, double-check the role you've selected. When you're ready, click Add. Google will send an email invitation to that person, and they'll get access instantly once they accept. And that's it. Your collaborator now has the exact level of access they need, and you keep full control of your account. No sharing passwords, no security risks, so just a clean, professional way to work together. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, drop any questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.